Alright, good morning y'all. On here. Quick little mod today. So basically, on the Subaru, you have these fog lights right here. But those only turn on when you're driving. Once you turn on your low beams, these turn off. And today, we actually have... Oop, that's my info. Don't want to show that. The OLM DRL Night Harness. So basically, whenever these turn on, it keeps the fog lights on. And yeah, so just gonna go ahead, pop the hood, and get her done. Yeah. Here's under the hood. So basically, we're just gonna take out the stock bulb right here from the headlight. Out a splitter, connects all the way down there to fog light down there. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to move the battery a bit to get more clearance right here. I know on this side I'm definitely gonna have to take off the air box, which is gonna suck. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to move the battery a bit and try to get that harness plugged in down there first, because I feel like getting that out of the way would be the best move first. So I just went ahead and took out the battery because my fat ass arm couldn't get through to reach down there, so just made it easier on myself and took out the battery. And right here is our connection. So what you're gonna want to do is just disconnect it from the bottom. There we go. Pretty tight. So here is our clip. I'm gonna show you the harness real quick. This way. So basically, original clip is gonna go in here. This is gonna go like to the fog light down there, and this connects to our splitter. We got the harness all plugged in down there, so up here we just got the splitter. Gonna go ahead and put the battery back right now, because might as well. I'm gonna need the battery to test the light anyways, see if it works. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, kind of got a bit ahead of myself, but here's the battery. And I already went ahead and took out the light. Connected it to the original harness right here. So interestingly enough, on my model, the green is positive, right? But I was just looking at the light, how it matches up. So on the splitter, the black would be positive. So I'm kind of make sure that's all lined up correctly. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in real quick, and I'll show you guys the difference between both sides. Ready? Perfect. See? We got the low beam and the fog light on. But this side, we only got the low beam on. Alright, hell yeah, dude. So, pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side just to show what the final product's gonna be. It's mostly just gonna be removing this massive piece of junk, installing the same wires the same way I already did, and yeah, just gonna go ahead and tuck that in. Went ahead and got the air scoop right out of the front. Just have to undo these two clips and it'll slide right off. And next we gotta do these two. Is that it? Just those two? Alright, they look like 12s. I'm gonna try with the 10 first, see if that tracks it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna move this up to the side. I'm not gonna try and disconnect this. I'm just, can I? I don't know. I just want it to move. That's really it. I don't want to take it completely out. Yo, okay, no, this is way bigger than I thought it was. This and this thing. Quick update for you guys who just saw that. It's not just these two bolts. There's another one hidden right here underneath the mount thing. And this thing's massive. It goes all the way down there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and actually try to take it out. Yeah, wish me luck. Right, quick change of plans. I just moved it enough so I could fit my hand down there and unplug the fog light. So I went ahead and just did that. This clip's on there. If you were gonna want to take out the air box, you're gonna have to take off that clip, or else it's just gonna be sitting there because there's a lot, including them there. Might do cold air intake soon, or short ramp. I think there's only cold air. That's all I saw in mine, but we'll see. Well, anyways, you just want to go ahead and disconnect it. I think you can see the connection from here. I can't tell. Hold up. See if I can reach it. Nope, that's not happening. But yeah, just gonna finish up on this side, do the same thing I did on the other side, clean this up, and show you the end result. All right, put back to place. Everything is bolted down. Ignore that, as I just say that. So yeah, so here we got the lights on and the fog light on. Oh, I'm just gonna back up a bit, get a better look at it. Oh, that was good. That looks real good. I was thinking about tinting the fog lights yellow, you know, get that old JDM look with the yellow fog lights. Just a thought, probably gonna do it down the line, like way later. Right now, just focusing on small things. So if you guys did enjoy, please drop a like, comment if this was helpful at all. I know it was helpful to me because, like, as simple as instructions are, there's not a visual to show like what you do. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day. Peace.
Certified Chatsy Classic.